Guys, welcome back. So glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to just be doing a talk through, very relaxed, get ready with me / talk through tutorial. I have a soft-ish glam kind of look planned, but there are no promises. By the end of this video, I could have like a black smoky eye. There's just no telling, and there are no promises. It's going to be a very relaxed video, just very casual, very laid back. So if you guys want to get ready with me and do some chit-chatting, grab your Starbucks and let's get to blending. We're just going to start off with eyebrows today. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe and comb out my brows. I do have a brow routine video up on my channel, so I'll link that below, but I'm not going to go too in depth. Yeah, so we have a few guests on my face right now. We got one right here and a oddly placed one right there. Like, I am pretty sure I have never gotten a blemish right there. I'm not sure quite what that came from. I feel like lately I've possibly been slacking on my skincare. I mean, I wash my face before I like put on makeup. I'll also wash it after I take off my makeup, but I feel like I've been slacking as far as like toning my face, adding a moisturizer. Now I moisturize in the morning, so I'm just talking about as far as my nighttime skincare routine goes. I'm going to take my Dipbrow Pomade from Anastasia. This is in blonde. I actually use a different color pomade than I do a pencil. I think that I go down a shade for the pomade just because the pomades, I feel that like when you, they're definitely buildable. So when I apply it, I feel like it's always darker. So if I got taupe, and once I start blending and building that up with the pomade, it just gets so dark. I'm going to take my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette and take that light neutral shade, and I'm just going to fill in the brow that way. I've actually been obsessed with using powders in my eyebrows lately. I just feel like instead of actually filling in my brows with the pomade, which can be super harsh looking, powders just look so much more natural and soft. I'm taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer on an E15 flat definer from Sigma, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my brows. I've just been really into like a full looking brow. I like to leave it looking like very fluffy and unfinished as far as the top half of the eyebrow goes, but the bottom I like to really make polished. Then I'm going to set the eyebrow with my NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. Oh my gosh. Funny story to this product, my mom actually bought this and I kept stealing hers. It's like $5 or $6. I've gone outside swimming with my eyebrows done. Super weird, I know, but my eyebrows didn't even move. Like, it's so crazy. I'm gonna go finish off my other eyebrow really quick, so I'll be back. All right, got my brows did. I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with the same concealer I used to clean up the brows, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. Since I already have it over here with me on top of my vanity, I'll just go for this one. And of course, we'll set it with our like neutral cream bone colored shadow. Trying to think of what look I'm going to do. I'm thinking something like pinky, like not berry, but like a soft mauve. That's one thing I'm like super bad about, is like making decisions, like choosing between things like where do you want to go eat tonight? Your choice. I'm like, I have an internal freak out. Like, there's so many choices. I'm so indecisive. Everything sounds good. It's like, I got a problem. We're going to stall a little bit. I'm just going to prep my face real quick. I'm going to go in with the MAC Fix Plus Gold Light. I don't know. I love MAC Fix Plus. Super good. But I was like, okay, I actually ran out of my Tatcha at the time, so I figured I would try this out. Maybe it would be a dupe, because you can see all of the gold like pigments in there that are floating around, and I just don't feel like it's as effective as the Tatcha setting spray. We're gonna shake it up. That is so aggressive. Okay, I got myself together. We're gonna throw it back old school and go with the Urban Decay Original Naked palette. This was one of the first high-end palettes I got, and I still, like, I don't even know if I put pan on one of the shadows. We're gonna go in with Naked, okay? We're gonna use the Sigma E40, because what else would we use? All right. Having a little bit of anxiety inside and wearing this, like, super pretty, like, nightgown with, like, this robe, and it's all white. And I'm doing makeup. Not sure where that idea came like from. I'm gonna take Buck. All right, we're gonna blend this into the crease. We're just gonna gradually get a little bit darker. I'm going to take a little bit of Estee Lauder's concealer. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the eyelids. I love using this technique just because if you're applying a shimmery, glittery, metallic eyeshadow on your eyelids, concealer will make like a world's difference, just because it'll clean up an area for your eyelid shade, and applying it on a creamy base helps bring out those like shimmery finishes. And once that's done, I'm gonna take Sin. This is like a really pretty like champagne like soft pink color, and I'm gonna use my finger for this. Love applying my eyelid shades with the finger. Then I'm taking Buck on I think this is a Japanese cut crease brush, and we're just going to like softly blend the pink eyelid shade and the brown together. Just to add a nice finishing touch, I'm taking Stila's Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Shadow, and this is in Diamond Dust. I'm just gonna like barely apply any. I don't want to overpower the pink. Just use a super light hand, and it kind of helps that I'm almost out of this, so I'm not getting too much product on the applicator. We're gonna switch over to the face, take a little break from the eyes here. Let's go in with our Argan oil from Physicians Formula. My skin's a little bit dry, and usually I'm not about like oils at all on the face because I do get a little bit oily in my T-zone, but this Argan oil sinks right in. It doesn't like stay on top of the skin and like not do anything. It's just really good. I probably should have thought this through because I'm about to go in with my Bobbi Brown face base and some moisturizer and a primer in one, and I just applied the oil. But my skin will be fine. It could use the extra help, so I'm gonna go in and use this. Okay, earlier I talked about the foundation I was gonna use, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Double Wear Foundation from Estee Lauder. This is in 1C1 Cool Bone. In the winter, it was a little bit warm tone for me, but your girl has gotten a little bit of sun, so we're gonna see if this is maybe a little bit of a better match. All right, and we're gonna go in and blend out with our Beauty Blender. This is the Beauty Blender Pro. Time for some concealer. Let's go in with our NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. This is in this shade Probably Fair. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me. And it's really good. Like, you get super good coverage. I think it's $4.99 at Ulta. Now, sometimes I will have to go in with 2 layers, just depending on the amount of coverage I want. Like on a look like this, where I'm wanting a little bit more makeup than normal. I'm going to immediately go in with my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder, and we're just gonna tap this on the under eye area. We'll move on to contouring and bronzing. This is the Chanel Soleil Universal Bronzer. Oh my gosh. When I got it, I was like, this is super expensive, but I just wanna try it because I know a lot of people have talked about it, and it is amazing. Of course, I'll take it around the face, just because I've been all about like that bronzed up look, like girl. Then for my contouring, I'll go in with the Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder in medium 2. I'll use that same brush. For me, an eye look is not complete without like dusting out the lower lash line. Smoking out the lower lash line. I'm gonna take Naked and apply that on the entire lower lash line. I used to not even smoke out the lower lash line, like, for a while. We're moving on to Buck, and I just don't know how I lived without it, because now it's like, I can't do a look. I feel so weird not even doing a lower lash line shadow. Okay, this highlighter, I'm gonna show you guys really quick. I'm gonna use this today. I recently got it. It's from MAC. It's their Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double Gleam, but this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. And it's a nice, soft, like cool gold. So it's not something warm toned, because like if I get something that's too warm toned for my skin as far as highlighters, it'll make those dark shadows on the skin, which ain't cute. So I'll take my F35 tapered highlighter and apply it. And what I like is You can either do it very lightly, or if you want to amp it up, you can apply a lot and build it up. I'm gonna go into the lips. This is the NYX lip liner in Natural. Cool. Now we can go in with our lipstick from NYX. This is the Pin Up Pout. I'm gonna say Pin Up Pout. I don't know. In Boundless. I'm going to be using one of my favorite blushes today. These are from Hourglass. This is the Ambient Blush Palette, which I do believe is still available. I'm actually going to use Mood Exposure. I just love how soft these are. They give you a like natural like flush, like literally like you don't have blush on, like it's just like a natural one. And then I'm going to go in with the Ardell Double Up Wispies. Okay, they're really good, really pretty for soft glam looks. This is not going to create like hurricane-like wind when you blink, like blowing everybody out of your path. All right, and then I'm going to apply some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara to blend everything in. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed the chit chat, talk through, get ready with me / tutorial. I always love doing these videos. It's super fun, super personal, more so formal, casual than my regular tutorials, and I just like changing up every once in a while. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy. I seriously appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you for 351 subscribers. I feel like it's growing really fast. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel so we can get to 400 subscribers, and more importantly, you will not be able to miss out on any of the future uploads I make on my channel. You guys have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you so, so, so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.